Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party kalapan pao yung Sngewkhia halor karay bala shim na kaseng Hnlc National Liberation Council Hnlc Weng no yung Jingïakren Ïasuk hapareng jongka mat kasorkar. Habakren bikilat patay kubor mentakas ngi kasawtrik ukalalingkot arajar arpusaw unang ilam ka BJP Meghalaya uchuba aw ulakentu yung Hnlc bakan wan syakhaman banyadan mentalang matkipat ba namar baka BJP ka Kwah yung Shongsuk makandan hajala Meghalaya. Ulaong baka Hnlc kampati benya ikimat kijura hakabayday baka ray balashim Weng no yung Jingïakren Ïasuk. Hakajuk kapor State President ke BJP urik manji movement ulakentu yung Hnlc ban wan syakhamat ban Jingïakren Ïasuk barkasor karjala lani barkasor karbdeng.
Especially media fraternity, this morning we are going to have a little bit a kind of conversation between this media and our public also, that actually we are in the Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra mission. So that is Prime Minister's dream. So as a national office bearer, our point is that we have to reach to the people, and this is purely for La Bharati, means beneficiary. So last almost 9.5 years, whatever the beneficiary, people got it from this state central beneficiary. So we have to interact with them, and some people didn't get. And why they didn't get, and we do not know, but we have to find out why he didn't get, whether he was not eligible or something wrong. So it is our duty to go to the beneficiary and interact with them. That what scheme you got it, what are the schemes you have applied, and how you enjoy this scheme. All this kind of things we have to investigate, and we have to give a report. I, on behalf of National Office Bearer, I come here to Meghalaya, and I have also interacting with the 9 Lok Sabha constituency in Assam, so that we will make a brief report and we will submit. So this is not for giving a great lecture, or it is only for interacting with the beneficiaries. So this is my mission. So here I came, and here actually supposed to be 3 meetings.
Use the other mic.
Supposed to be 3 meetings. First meeting was state office bearer directive. The second will be morcha head, and that means we have many 7 frontal head. So we are interacted just now, and now with the public. So I have to brief them. So what are going to be do? First of all, there are many candidates. There are many candidates in assembly election, even Lok Sabha election also. We have seen previously that some will get 2,000 votes, some will get 500 votes like that. So where they will go? So we have to invite them, open to invite every candidate who like to join the BJP. So they have invited, and they will be joining together, because our house has to be increased, the volume has to be increased, strength has to be organized. That is why I have given this work to our state president Rikmenji to channelize how to reach to the grassroots level. 1. Number 2, this beneficiaries scheme. This is sometime in office area we do it officially, but it doesn't reach the real beneficiaries. So we have instructed them to state office bearer, district president, including the mandal president. Now Morcha also, they will do the same, state, district and Morcha, including this both level committee president. All 3, it should be landed to ground and ask everyone openly that what benefit you got it. The third will be Lok Sabha preparation is going on, and our target is 400 this time. So we will achieve 400 seats. So that is why we have to go everywhere, weak constituency wherever we didn't get. But we are doing our level best to reach them, and progress report is very good, very encouraging. We believe that we will achieve this one. This is our mission today. Thank you.
So you said about 400 seats target this time.
Yeah.
Can you break it down, Northeast and then Meghalaya?
No, not like that. There are some weak seats also there. We have calculated. Some seats are regional centric seats also there. But we try to improve that one.
What is the preparation for Meghalaya in particular?
Now, Meghalaya also we will do it because last two elections we have seen that it was not so much fruitful. But this time we are going to do in such a way that people will understand that what is going on in national level, how they give us facility, all these things. So we will reach to the grassroots level this time.
So
Previously it was not reached.
who will be your probable candidates for the 2 seats in Meghalaya?
Now we see we will work first, and after that this matter we will discuss with the state team, then it will go to national team, then we will sit together with Prime Minister and Home Minister together, then we will allow the ticket.
How many people have approached the party for ticket?
Till now, Bharveli to many people, but Bharveli will not do that because one has to be acceptable by the people.
Sir, so you mentioned about weak seats and strong seats. How do you consider Shillong and Tura? Are they strong or weak seats for the BJP?
Actually, both are a strong seat. Only we could not channelize. That is, we are also taking the responsibility that we could not reach to the grassroots level.
So how will you ensure that this time both the seats will come to the BJP?
We have instructed our party workers also start working. This time so we could not celebrate even Christmas also, New Year also. We are working day and night. I believe it will come up to the level.
Is Bahek's named also in the list of candidates?
Yes, I have seen in the media, but I have not interacted with him. So what is his opinion? Because we have to take the consideration of all the candidates, because we cannot simply write in the paper. We need to interact one to one.
But why is it the BJP? Recently, Bahek also has admitted that one of the main reasons for the BJP's failure to win in the last Lok Sabha election also was the late announcement of the candidates. So, will your party address this particular concern?
Late announcement of the party candidate, the reason is there is no organization. Because organization, if it is weak, then definitely we will have a tough time to select the candidate. So this time we are strengthening the organization first.
Yeah, I just have a question. You said that many people have not received the benefit that what the central government has given. Actually, what is the reason? Or
No, there is sometime what happen. Everybody like to apply the beneficiary. Everybody willing. But if it is above the poverty level, since certain incomes are crossed, sometimes government needs to scrutinize this one also. We have to check and see.
no, normally what is happening when the government, whoever government, they base on this economic census. So far in Meghalaya, so we have this economic census. But one thing, what we could see as a journalist is that most of this central sponsored scheme, you have to live with Aadhaar, where people of Meghalaya, many of them don't have this Aadhaar. So what will the BJP do to improve that the people of Meghalaya, especially these BPL people, they will receive this benefit, and how to tell them that this Aadhaar?
Yeah, you are right. Because many people are not aware in the village that use of Aadhaar, e-Shram card, and even Jan Dhan account. So these are the very important factors. That is what I have instructed our party worker to help them to get this system to be acquainted.
Do we see the BJP importing candidates from other parties for the upcoming Lok Sabha election?
No, not like that. We are cadre based, so that we are trying to mold from our own way. That is why selection also little bit taking little more time. But it will be okay, I believe.
Do we see the BJP also implementing the 33% women reservation?
Yeah, women reservation, that is our agenda. That is why we are doing it in every field.
So there will be more women candidates this time.
We'll see, because name is reservation women candidate. If the women are not accepted by their own constituency, own Lok Sabha parliamentary constituency, problem will come up, because we are fighting for to win. That is why we have to select the best.
So what step will the BJP take, give the central government, so that this Aadhaar could be relieved from the people so that they could get the benefit? For example, just one, from this PMAY scheme, the government of India has, just for East Kashmir alone, has put a target more than 20,000. But many of them could not avail these facilities because they don't have this Aadhaar. So what step will the BJP do so that these people who are in need of having their own house, as a slogan by the BJP,
No,
they could get this benefit?
I understood. See, making Aadhaar is not a problem, because Government of India has established CSC, Common Service Center. You can go upload, your card will be available. So I think because of lack of education, lack of motivation, because of that people has not aware of this one. So we have to encourage our party worker to help them. That is the thing.
Has the BJP decided on the issues that the party will go to the people and seek their mandate?
BJP will fight for our own, because we are not going to have any compromise with any other political party. We will fight our own.
What about the...
So can you elaborate on the fight with your own? What is
No, our party is, we are build up our strengths also coming up, so that why should we give chance to other? So it is our party, we have to come up. So that is why we have decided that we will fight for our own.
So do you mean to say that this time the NDA will not be there?
NDA will be there. Those who like, they can be, but no seat sharing basis. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Sir,
No,
wait.
no, we are not done.
But I'm not seeing your face, sir.
Okay, you can see me.
You said in the last 9 years, the people have benefited a lot. It is also true, maybe because of so many schemes. But if we go to various central schemes, in the past we have a 90-10 funding, which is 90-10, 90 by the center, 10 by the state. But in recent years, many schemes have been changed in the funding pattern, which some are 50-50, some are 25-75, which has affected a small states like Meghalaya, including in the whole northeast. So how is the BJP not seeing this problem, especially when it comes to small states like Meghalaya, which has to depend everything on the center?
Yeah, that is a government of India will decide, but we are trying our level best, because small states sometimes revenue sharing also very less. That is why sometimes we give it 90-10, and sometimes it comes to 75-25, sometimes it comes to 50-50, depends on the scheme. That's the things we are working it out, and we believe it will be justified to all.
Sir, but we have not seen, especially BJP from the northeast, raising their voice on this particular issue, which is very pertinent and very important for the people of this region.
I'll just take that. You see, as far as these schemes are concerned, we've seen many a times if the sharing is 75-25 or something higher than that, the state government always writes to the center. It's happened time and again. And the our central government is very responsive to the needs of the smaller states like ours. And they accommodate their request for reducing the sharing pattern to 10%. That's happened many times. If you go and dig down, you'll find a lot of such examples. And I'll be happy to share some of these with you in due course.
No, the question is the BJP doing something about this?
Yes.
No, that is all ministry. Their discussion, this issue is going on. Because ministry as a minister, he cannot take decision alone. Because he has a own committee. Because bureaucrats also involved, then reports also see, analyze. After that, these schemes are implemented. So we believe it will be. Because we never leave things to be unprecedented.
Or sir, is it that because our voice is very low, so nobody can hear our voice in Delhi?
No, not like that. Every state has taken consideration. For example, this time, National Office Bearer meeting was there on 22nd and 23rd December. On that day, Honorable Prime Minister attended. To honor him, our state president, from the first time from the Meghalaya, he has honored him. That is the pride of the Meghalaya.
I want to justify my question, especially on this funding pattern. When it comes to MGNREGA, where the materials component earlier, including wages, it was 90-10, but now they have changed only, I think, only the material, only the wages, it is 90-10, but then for material components, it has changed 20-80 something. So it has really affected the state of Meghalaya because we like a small state I have mentioned. So there is no, I think if you can recall, even the central government also took time to release because the state could not meet the requirement.
So what I can say is that we'll take this matter up with the central government and we'll bring it to their notice and request the concerned ministry to relax the norms as they were before.
We have seen the.
My last question. You see here we don't have this panchayati right.
Panchayati Raj.
Yes, we don't have here Meghalaya. I think Nagaland also we don't have it. So what will the BJP do? Whether they will take up or not with the central government, so that in all this form, which is distributed through blocks, in different blocks of the state, that this word Panchayati Raj should not be used. Here we have local Darbar Shnong, or we call it Darbar.
You see, in Northeast like in Nagaland, Meghalaya, Mizoram, even Arunachal they have Panchayati Raj. So these things sometimes traditionally we are start ruling because local area development, all these things we have used these local bodies. So Panchayati Raj is a different, that is common, uniform to the national level. But here what happened now, this Darbar in Nagaland called Village Council, these are equally there treat us because they have given recognition also for that. Yes.
No, but what has happening, all this form for a central scheme, they put the word Panchayat.
Panchayati Raj, right.
So this
That
is
is
a
only
problem
one
faced by.
state they use. Yes.
The BJP has contested so many elections in the past. So, what is the reason for the BJP not being able to, to be acceptable to the people of Meghalaya? And whether you will come up with strategies to really improve, the party's acceptability in Meghalaya?
Yes, we are working on grassroots level and strengthening the organization because without organization, XYZ put a candidate, people doesn't know, voters doesn't know who is that fellow. That is why we have lost many elections. But this time it will never happen. We will strengthen first. After that, it will be launched into election.
But what is the main reason for the party not being able to,
No, that is the main thing. No, because when candidate is there, people are not there in organizational level to work. So who will go to village? Who will go to convince? Who will go to camping for it? That is the problem was last time. And this time we are improving this.
There are reports of former Chief Minister eager to join the BJP. Is the central leadership aware of what is
No, till now officially no feeler has come. That is might be a kind of in Hawa people have started talking, but not to come first. Yes. Okay, thank you.
Mr. State President.
But will you?
Enough for me, that's all.
No, but is what is
We are
the?
getting late.
But will the party approach the former Chief Minister of Meghalaya to join your fold?
No such thing, no such thing. Because it is up to him. If they like, he can join. If he doesn't like, what to do? That is up to him only, not with the BJP. Yeah. Take it. We have another meeting.
Maybe one question for the state. You see, we have seen that the Hnlc, the state government and the central government, they have initiated this peace talk. But suddenly, this Hnlc has withdrawn the peace talk. So, do you have to say anything? Because that is BJP.
No, regarding this information, I have not received officially. So we cannot intervene here and there. Simply we have seen in the paper. So we will take up next issue next time. Thank you.
But do you see the government mishandling this peace talk?
I have not gone through this one because I cannot tell which is we have not gone through details. So let me give me little time. We will go
Your
through.
State
The
President, we
state
have.
president can take this question
What?
about the HNLC peace talks.
About?
HNLC peace talks. The HNLC has announced its decision to withdraw itself from
No.
the peace talk. What do you have?
As a whole, we need a peace. Huh? As a whole, we need the peace. So we want, we will request HNLC to come forward to have a peace talk with the state government, or central government directly. It's up to we as a human being and as a state, we need peace. Because now it's at least, according to me, yesterday only we saw in the paper that last night only I heard that they're withdrawing. So I didn't have any comment on that first. Let us verify that, we'll let you later.
Is the party concerned about this development?
Pardon me?
Is the party concerned on this development of the HNLC withdrawing from the peace talks? Are you concerned?
Yes, we are concerned. We need peace, no? That's why I'm telling we need peace.
The HNLC has been demanding from the government to provide them amnesty. What is your take on this? Should the government provide the HNLC leaders amnesty?
No, that I would not able to comment it right now.
This militant organization and party, we are party. So militant organization, they have to talk with the state government, maybe central government, that is up to them. But as the state president clearly said that we want peace, and we also appeal to our militant organization to come forward and join in the mainstream and maintain the peace. That much only.
I think that much.